Can you hear? Listen. Listen.
Listen.
Listen.
Listen.
Listen.
Listen.
Now. A snake.
A snake.
What instrument sounds like a snake? What instrument sounds like a snake? The drum? No. The xylophone?
No.
The maracas?
Yes.
Ah, okay. This is the sound of the snake.
This is the sound of the snake.
The snake!
The snake.
Yes, okay. Now, the bear. The bear.
The bear.
All right. The bear. What instrument sounds like a bear? What instrument
Sounds like a bear.
What instrument? Looney, what instrument sounds like a bear?
The drum sounds like a bear.
Yes, excellent. Right. Now, what instrument sounds like a butterfly? A butterfly. Oh, right. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. What instrument sounds like a butterfly? Alice.
The xylophone sounds like a butterfly.
Play the xylophone. Go. Ooh, all right. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Nice, excellent. Okay, and what animal sounds like the tambourine?
I think it's an horse.
Ah, do you know this animal? The horse. Right. Let's do it. It's the horse.
The horse.
Ready? Yes, okay, excellent. Now with this, let's associate instruments with the sounds of different animals. And as I said in one of the previous videos about instruments, you can use a lot of things to make sound. Look at this, a trash can. It can be associated to an animal. You can make your own instruments. A yogurt cup filled with rice becomes a maracas. Let's just be creative, okay? Bye everyone.